Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'm going to take you around this 63 plate 2013 Mini Cooper. It's a Bayswater special edition, done just over 71,000 miles. Before I show you this, let me tell you what we do here. So this is our showroom, and this is our service workshop, so this is our body shop, and this is our spares department. So back to the car in hand. This is a Mini Cooper Bayswater special edition. So it's got this unique colour. It's a sort of pearlescent finish, and it has these very nice alloy wheels as well. Body wise, there's one or two age related bumps and bruises. There's a bit of a dent there on the bonnet. When you step back, you can't really see it, but there is something there. And having a look at this wheel, we've got a very good tyre, and that wheel is virtually unmarked. Some minor lack of peel, I think, or minor curbing there, but on the whole, not bad at all. Down this side of the car, we're in good condition, no major bumps and bruises. Mirror back's got a slight mark on it. And then coming to this rear wheel, we have a good tyre and a virtually unmarked rear wheel. Coming around the back, the bumper is in good condition, as is the back, which is excellent. Open the boot. We have some netting in here, and this is like a little bag that you can put things in as well. It's quite handy. And the boot's nice, tidy. Coming down this side, this rear wheel, good tread, wheel in very good condition. No bumps and bruises down this side, it looks pretty decent. Doors unmarked, mirror back's good. And back to the front wheel here, and the tyres in good condition. Still got the little rubber, so it's quite new. And here, this wheel itself is in good nick. And then come back round to the front. So getting into the car, we see we have this piano black trim on the doors, chrome rings on the speakers, and the other parts we have full leather trim. Let's get in. So view from the cockpit here, we have steering wheel controls for cruise control, which is that side, and the radio and the telephone Bluetooth. Let's start off. So there are two keys. This is a key, if you've not seen a Mini key before, and it goes into that slot there. You press the clutch and press the button, car fires up. The mileage as of today, 72183. I'll put this lights on so we get some backlighting here, but we can see speedo. So chrome rings around here. We have a CD player, climate control. We have your window controls. These are the fog lights. That's the door locking. Auxiliary in, so we have 3.5mm jack there and a USB there to feed the stereo with music. On here we've got DAB, tuner, so normal FM radio, USB, etc. And here we have the telephone configuration, as you'd expect. 6-speed gearbox, start-stop is built in. We have a sport mode with this car, and that turns the traction control off. Over here we have a secret, inverted commas, glove box. This is a soft finished leather to match the seats. And up here we have probably the most important feature, mood lighting. So we can change the colour of these lights here, and they go through a whole range. Come this way, it changes the brightness. Then that's the brightest, so now we can change the colour, and it also changes the colour of the lights in here and the lights in here. Things you never know you needed, eh? This car comes with full service history, a new MOT. It's done 72,000 miles. It's in very, very nice condition, very tidy all round. Please come along, drive it, see if you like it. I'm sure you will. Thanks for watching.